Hello students, welcome to online classes of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session we are going to discuss an example of finding angle between radius vector and tangent from the given curve. Here the given curve is, I'll take it first, given curve is r raised to m is equal to a raised to m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. And we know that very first thing, when the given curve is polar curve, then the solution is possible after applying a log on both sides. So apply log on both sides. Then what happens? If you apply log on this, what happens? Logarithm of r raised to m. This is like logarithm of r raised to m is equal to logarithm of a raised to m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. Fine. So apply logarithm properties. Log a raised to n, that is n into log raised to log r. Therefore it is m into log r is equal to, now it is log a into b, so log a plus log b. Therefore it is m into log a plus logarithm of this whole bracket I'll be taking as it is, because we don't know what is log a plus b. Therefore I'll be taking this as it is, log m theta, log of cos m theta plus sin m theta. Fine. So then differentiating this with respect to theta. Differentiating this with respect to theta. Then what happens? M into m common. Differentiation of log r is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Plus, if you keep log r common and differentiation of m being a constant, it will be 0. Therefore, this is equal to. Now, differentiation of this, keep m common, differentiation of log a, which is constant, becomes 0. If you keep log a constant and if you differentiate m, which is again a constant, this will be 0. Plus differentiation of logarithm of this, so it becomes 1 divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta, 1 divided by. Then differentiation of this bracket with respect to theta. What it is now? Differentiating this with respect to theta, what happens? Differentiation of cos will be minus m into sin m theta plus differentiation of sin m theta is m into cos m theta. Clear? Therefore, we can see this is m and 1 by r into dr by d theta is been taken as cot pi. Cot pi is equal to, this is equal to, from here if I take m common, then m is taken out, then inside the bracket what remains? Minus sin m theta. So I take first positive, so cos m theta will be taken first. So cos m theta minus sin m theta, okay, divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta. Fine. So m get cancelled. So it is gone. M get cancelled. So this is equal to what it is now. This is already, this pattern we already solved in derivation part, where we have taken such examples. Such in the derivation we have taken such situation and we obtained a result for this. Okay. What is that result? Divide whole equation by cos m theta. Okay. Then we will be getting, if you want, I'll perform this in a rough sheet. This can be performed in a rough sheet because I don't want to put everything here. So I'll be taking it on a rough sheet. So what happens, I'll tell you. Divide numerator and denominator of RHS by cos m theta. If we divide it by cos m theta, what happens now? Cot pi Don't take it in LHS, only in RHS. So it becomes cos m theta divided by cos m theta minus sin m theta divided by cos m theta divided by cos m theta divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta divided by cos m theta. Here it get cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to 1 minus sin by cos, that is tan m theta divided by, this is 1 again. So plus sin by cos is tan m theta. Understood? So this result I'll be taking directly. Therefore, this result becomes, this becomes 1 minus tan m theta divided by 1 plus tan m theta. But already we discussed this in a previous case where we obtained a solution for this. What is tan 1 minus tan m theta? We can see here. So what is that? 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta is nothing but cot of 45 plus theta. Okay. Therefore, now the result comes as cot pi is equal to cot of pi by 4 plus theta, but here theta is m theta, so m theta. Therefore, pi is equal to cot get cancelled, so it is pi by 4 plus m theta. So this is the solution of the equation, which is nothing but it represents angle between radius vector